In today's video, we're talking about how to create a WordPress site using a block theme on Bluehost. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've heard phrases like block themes and thought I have no idea what that means, you're not alone. A lot of people think WordPress has suddenly become complicated when really it just changed how things are built behind the scenes. This video is meant to make it feel simple again. So today I'm going to show you what it looks like to create with a block theme on Bluehost. So by the end, you'll know what a block theme is, how full site editing works, and whether this way of building a site makes sense for you. Let's get into it. Now let's start off with the basics. So a WordPress block theme is a newer type of theme that lets you build your entire website using blocks. If you've ever written a blog post in WordPress, you've already used blocks. Paragraphs, images, buttons, and headings are all blocks. What's different now is that blocks are not just for blog posts anymore. With the block theme, your header, footer, layouts, and templates are also built with blocks. That means you can visually edit almost every part of your site without touching code or using a separate page builder. Full site editing is the feature that makes that possible. It allows you to edit your entire site from inside the WordPress editor. Instead of being locked into a theme's design, you can change things directly and see updates in real time. And then when we say on Bluehost, that means WordPress is hosted on Bluehost and installed through their dashboard. The tools work the same way on other hosts, but Bluehost is a common starting point for beginners, so that's the environment that we're going to use here. Before we get into the demo, let's talk about why WordPress moved in this direction. So WordPress used to be very split up. You edited pages in one place, menus in another, and styles somewhere else. If you wanted more control, you usually had to install a page builder or edit theme files. Block themes and full site editing bring everything into one system. The same editor you use to write content is now used to design your site. This just makes WordPress more visual and more consistent. For beginners, this reduces the number of tools you need to learn. And for long-term site owners, it just means fewer plugins and fewer moving parts that can break later on. I know it can feel kind of uncomfortable and weird at first, especially if you're used to the older WordPress setups, but once you understand the flow, it actually really simplifies things. Okay, so now if you don't already have a Bluehost account, we do have an exclusive link down below where you can save up to 70% off. I'll get more into those details later on in the video, but if you want to follow along, you can go ahead and use that link. Okay, so once you are logged in, this is what the Bluehost dashboard looks like. So you've got your home button right here. You've got websites, email, domains, hosting, security, billing, and then marketplace. So as soon as you are ready to go, you'll just click add website right here. When you create a WordPress site on Bluehost, WordPress is installed automatically for you. From there, choosing a block theme is just choosing a theme that supports full site editing. Once the theme is active, the main difference you'll notice is how the editor looks. Instead of only editing pages and posts, you now have access to templates and template parts like headers and footers. This doesn't mean you need to design everything from scratch. Most block themes come with starter layouts and patterns, and these are going to give you structure that you can customize instead of starting from a blank screen. As you explore the editor, you'll notice that everything is built with blocks. You can click on elements, move them around, and adjust them visually. You're not writing code or guessing what something will look like. And this is where full site editing starts to make sense. You're editing your site as a whole, not just the individual pages. Now, understanding templates and layouts. One thing that confuses people is the idea of templates. Templates control how certain types of pages look, like your home screen, blog posts, or pages. With block themes, templates are visual, so you can open them and see exactly how they're built. Headers, content areas, and footers are all visible and editable. This does not mean you need to touch templates right away. Many people can build an entire site just by editing pages and using patterns. Templates are there if you want more control later. The key takeaway is that nothing is hidden. If something looks a certain way, you can usually click on it and then edit it. Styling your site with full site editing. Another big change with block themes is how styles work. So instead of tweaking colors and fonts in multiple places, you can control global styles from one panel. This means when you change a font or color, it applies across the site. You don't have to fix things page by page. This is going to save time and keep your site consistent. It also makes it easier to experiment because you can see changes instantly and undo them if needed. For beginners, this removes a lot of trial and error. You're not guessing where a setting lives. Everything related to design lives in one place. Now, why this is good for speed and performance. Block themes are generally lighter than page builders, and that's because they use WordPress's built-in system. There is less extra code running behind the scenes, and this often results in faster load times and fewer conflicts between plugins. When combined with Bluehost performance tools, this just creates a really solid foundation for a site that runs smoothly. This does not mean page builders are bad, it just means block themes are simpler options for many people, especially if you're just starting starting or want a cleaner setup. Now let's go ahead and talk about the different plans and pricing options of Bluehost if this is the route you're wanting to go to build your website. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and again use our link down in the description below. Once you click that link, you'll go ahead and click get started, and this is a special partner offer only. So again, you do need to use our link to get this discount. We've got the starter plan right here, which is just $2.99 per month. So that's saving you 70% off. This is for a 36-month term. With this, we've got website and hosting. So we've got 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of storage. It's ideal for about 40K visits per month. And you get things like AI site creation tool, which is going to make building it even easier, free CDN, manage WordPress updates, global data centers, 24/7 chat support, and more. You also get security features like free SSL, free malware scanning, web application firewall, DDoS protection, and weekly website backups. Then we've got marketing over here. So you've got Yoast SEO and Pro email free trial. Then you've got advanced features here. So static content caching, object caching, and WordPress staging, and more. Then we've got the business plan, which is just $5.99 per month, and that is for a 36-month term. Even at the renewal rate, you can see that right here, though it really is not too much more. Then, as you can see, you get 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of storage. It's ideal for about 200K visits per month. You get everything that's in the starter plan as well, but you do get phone support included, which is an upgrade from the starter plan. Then for security features, you get everything again in the starter plan, but you do get malware detection and removal. Then again, same marketing features and same advanced features. Then moving on to the e-commerce essentials is just $13.99 per month, which is saving you 36%. Again, that's at a 36-month term. With this, you get more websites, more storage and visits. So it's 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of storage, and it's ideal for 400K visits per month. You get everything else that is in the business plan for website and hosting. But the biggest difference here is the commerce tools as well. So you get secure payment processing, WooCommerce auto install, product subscriptions, visitor memberships, offer paid courses, affiliate program, custom email templates, and then easy social logins. Okay, security features are the same as the business plan. And then you get the marketing and then the advanced features as well. They do have some advanced plans too, as you can see. I won't really review these, but just wanted you to know that you can save up to 75% off on WordPress Cloud 1 and 26% on dedicated hosting. Again, choose a plan that best fits your needs. If you don't need e-commerce, you can always start with the starter plan. And then once your amount of visits per month goes up, you can go ahead and upgrade to the business plan. Again, it's really about where you are at right now. So make sure you are deciding what's going to be the best fit for your business and your website. In terms of the block themes, those are not extra costs besides just your Bluehost hosting plans. A lot of the themes are free and they also do have premium options, but again, those are completely optional if you wanted to go ahead and buy one. Now, before we wrap up, let's touch on some pros and cons. You can decide if Bluehost is the right tool for you. So one of the biggest pros of block themes is just simplicity. You use one editor for everything, which just reduces confusion and speeds up learning. Another advantage is flexibility. You're not locked into a rigid theme layout. You can just adjust headers, footers, and layouts visually. Block themes also tend to be lighter, which helps with site speed and long-term maintenance. And finally, this approach aligns with where WordPress is heading. Learning it now sets you up for future updates instead of working against them. Now for the cons. So the main downside is just the learning curve if you are used to an older WordPress setup or page builders. The editor does look different and that can feel uncomfortable at first. Some advanced design features may feel limited compared to heavy page builders, but honestly, for most basic sites, this is not an issue, but just something to know and to think about. Block themes also rely heavily on patterns and templates, which means you may need to explore a bit before things click. So again, just some things to keep in mind while you are making your decision. Now, is this approach for you? I would definitely recommend considering creating a WordPress block theme site if you want a modern, clean, and flexible site without managing a lot of plugins. This approach works really well for blogs, small businesses, portfolios, and content-focused sites. It's especially helpful if you want to keep things simple and future-proof. I know building a website can feel super overwhelming, especially when tools change and new terms get thrown around. Block themes and full site editing are not about making things harder. They're really just about giving you more control in a simpler way. If you want to build your site using the same setup that we talked about today, again, Bluehost is a really great option. That wraps up this video. If you want to try this setup for yourself, again, Again, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below to save 70% off of the standard plans. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build and manage your websites with clear, simple guidance. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.